ఈనాడు మన భారతదేశం నందు
today in Bharat
200 యూనివర్సిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి.
there are 200 universities,
9000 కళాశాలలు ఉంటున్నాయి.
9000 colleges.
కానీ 9 లక్షల అనగా 1 కోటి విద్యార్థులు ఈ కళాశాలలో విద్యను అభ్యసిస్తున్నారు.
1 crore students are being educated.
కానీ ఈ విద్యావంతులకు కేవలము గ్రాడ్యుయేట్స్ గా చేసి ఈ సంస్థలంతా కూడా ప్రపంచానికి వదిలిపెడుతున్నాయి.
All these students are merely graduated and released into the world.
ఈ విశ్వవిద్యాలయాలు అందరూ కూడా కేవలం యాంత్రికంగా మారిపోతున్నాయి.
Universities have become mechanical.
కేవలం ఒక విధమైనటువంటి మిషన్ అనగా వర్క్ షాప్ గా తయారైపోతున్నారు.
It has become a sort of machinery workshop.
వాళ్ళకు గ్రాడ్యుయేట్ చేయటము బయటికి పంపటము, గ్రాడ్యుయేట్ చేయటము బయటికి పంపటము.
We graduate them and release to the outside world.
వాళ్ళ భవిష్యత్తు ఏమిటి?
What is their future?
వారు చేయవలసినటువంటి కర్తవ్యం ఏమిటి?
What is their duty?
వారి వల్ల దేశంలో కలిగేటువంటి లాభం ఏమిటి?
What is the profit to the nation?
అనేటువంటి యొక్క విషయాన్ని ప్రభుత్వం కానీ లేక ప్రొఫెసర్స్ కానీ వైస్ ఛాన్సలర్స్ కానీ రిజిస్ట్రార్స్ కానీ విద్యాధికారులు కానీ ఎవరు కూడా దీన్ని విచారించడం లేదు.
Either the government or the people, the society, professors, vice chancellor, registrar do not think in this line.
Having more hunger to earn money. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಯುವಕರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ one of my friends was saying, it seems he asked a student, he asked a young software engineer, how much you are getting salary? Just 2 lakhs per month. Just 2 lakhs per month. Just 2 lakhs per month, so that's all. Is not 2 lakhs good? No sir, my friend is earning 3,50,000 rupees. I am getting only 2 lakhs. So ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಬಂದ್ರೇನು ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ದುಡ್ಡಿಂದ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದೆಯಾ? ಆ 3,50,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. Does he have peace of mind? Not only peace of mind, he is spoiling his health. He doesn't have good sleep at night. Because people will not give free money. When money is given, so much is expected also. Hintar, they squeeze you. Not only your body but also mind. You will not have any
leftover energy in you to withstand
the challenges of life. That is the state of mind of many engineers today. When you join in a software engineering company, you are healthy. You are very healthy and go. But do you know that a doctor is attached to you? I don't know how many of you are doing. If I supposing I join for duty today, then they say that, sir, this is the doctor who will be. Why doctor? I am healthy. No sir, you are not. No, I am healthy. No, you will not be healthy. You will not be. A doctor is needed for you. Please listen to us. In 1 week's time, he will know the truth of that state. Right? Every Tuesday, when doctor checks, gives part of the package. He will come and check your sugar level and acid level, your cholesterol level and things like that. Just keep prescribing medicines because their medicines also will have to be sold now. Right? So they keep. So ade ನುಂಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. So let us see this presentation
quickly and try to understand where we are going. ನಾವು
ಯಾವ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋಣ. Now the age of youth. ಯುವಕರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಯುವಕರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು? Is it between 18 and 25 is youth? Correct?
age wise youth? Who is youth?
Physically only, sir, mentally.
No, I want to know whether it's mentally or physically. Who is a youth?
Young
adults. Who is it?
13 to 19 years old, 14 to
teenage is young. 13 to 19.
13 to 19 years.
I'll ask the
Youngest girl. I feel she is young.
youngest girl. Who is a youth?
19 to 20.
19 to 20 is youth. ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ? 20, 21 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ is not youth.
But they have to learn.
Youth.
They are learning, sir.
Now,
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ.
youth.
Normal definition of young.
18 to 20. Those who are think like the Hanuman, they are the youth.
Those who can think like Hanuman. Those who can think like Hanuman or youth.
Yeah. Okay.
Like
Who are youth? Is it the age between 16 and 25? Is it the age between 16 and 25?
Maybe.
Technically, they are called youth, 18 to 25.
Technically.
But Swami has given a definition for youth. Who are youth? What are the qualities of a youth? 16 to 25 is the youth age, but they are supposed to have youthful qualities. If they don't have youthful qualities, they are not youth. What are the qualities for a youth? Even if a person is 60, if he has got the youthful quality, he is still called a youth according to Swami. What are the qualities? These are the qualities. Qualities of youth. Please proceed. Utsaham, Sahasam, Dhairyam, Buddhi, Shakti, Parakram. Utsaham, Sahasam, Dhairyam, Buddhi, Shakti, Parakram. ಈ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಯಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಯುವಕರೇ. ಏಜ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಉತ್ಸಾಹ, ಸಾಹಸ, ಧೈರ್ಯ, ಬುದ್ಧಿ, ಶಕ್ತಿ, ಪರಾಕ್ರಮ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯುವಕರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂತ್. ಬಟ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಇದೆ? ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಇದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಇದೆ. ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಇದೆ, ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಇದೆ, ಟ್ವಿಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಇರಬೇಕೋ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಉತ್ಸಾಹ, ಸಾಹಸಂ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ? ನಿಜವಾಗಿನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್ ನ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಸಾಹಸ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸಾಹಸ ಏನಿದೆ? ಒಂದು ಬೈಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಜನ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ದೇ ಗೋ ಇನ್ ಅ ರಾಂಗ್ ವೇ ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ರೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್. ಅದು ಸಾಹಸ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸ್ಪಿನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೀಲಿಂಗ್. ದೇ ಡೂ ವೀಲಿಂಗ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಾಹಸ. ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ಲಿ ಚೀಪ್ ಸಾಹಸ. ಒಂದು ನಿಜವಾದ ಒಂದು ಘಟನೆ ಬರಲಿ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ, ಒಂದು ತೊಂದರೆ ಬರಲಿ, ಒಂದು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಬರಲಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಸಾಹಸ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಾಹಸ. ಧೈರ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಹೆದರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಎದುರಿಸುವ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಸಾಹಸ. ಅದು ಯಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಯುವಕರೇ. ಧೈರ್ಯ ಇರಬೇಕು. ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅಡ್ವೆಂಚರ್. ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕರೇಜ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಧೈರ್ಯ. ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್, ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಕರೇಜ್ ಟು ಫಾಲೋ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗುಡ್ and the courage to break what is not good. That is buddhi. Shakti, energy. You call huduguru, they get up at 8 o'clock, they go back to sleep at 2 o'clock at night. They don't have energy. They don't have a health of a person who is 60 or 65 years old. Their own fathers are much more healthy and active than the youths today. This is the lifestyle diseases, my friend. You blame it on lifestyle because of this. Parakramam. What is parakramam? Parakramam is skill. Yukti. ಒಂದು ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆ. ಪರಾಕ್ರಮ, ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಯುವಕರೇ. ಉತ್ಸಾಹಂ, ಸಾಹಸಂ, ಧೈರ್ಯಂ, ಬುದ್ಧಿ, ಶಕ್ತಿ, ಪರಾಕ್ರಮ. All these are called as youth. You know, but today's youth, how they are? These are all the qualities. Utsaha means zeal and enthusiasm, adventure, courage, intelligence, strength, energy, skills, capability. These are the 6 qualities of youth. Whoever is having this is youth. If you go to Mahabharata, what was the age of Krishna during the Mahabharata war? He was around 78 years. Right? You know what is the age of Krishna during Mahabharata? 78. Krishna was 78 years old. Arjuna was a bit lesser, 74 or something. Who was the chief commander of Kaurava army? Bhishma. What was his age? 102 years. 108 years. He was youth at that time. Chief commander of armed forces, Kaurava army, 108 years youth. 78 years youth, 74 years youth. Those were the days. Why? Because of their purity. At that age also they were having the strength to face the war. Today, you can't even imagine a guy who can walk straight at 50 years. By 50 years, even 45 years. They can't squat on the floor. Appa, knee pain. I have students who can't squat on the floor. ಇಷ್ಟು ದಪ್ಪ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಹೀಗೆ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಎಷ್ಟು ವಯಸ್ಸು ನಿನಗೆ? 25 years. They look like 45 years. Why? There is no purity. Swami says, do you want to look young? Do you want to look 20 at 40? Swami asked the question. Do you want to look 20 at 40? Not 40 at 20. If you look 40 at 20, you are no good. If you want to look young, if you want to look 20 at 40, he says three things which are important. Purity, patience and perseverance. If you have purity, patience and perseverance, you can always look young. Purity ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇವತ್ತು ಯುವಕರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬೇಡದೇ ಇರುವಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬೇಡದೇ ಇರುವಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬೇಡದೇ ಇರುವಂತ ಚಿಂತನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬೇಡದೇ ಇರುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರುವ ರೋಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕೇಳಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ರೋಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ವೈ? ಈ ರೋಗ ಯಾಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಈ ವಯಸ್ಸು ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? 20ರಲ್ಲಿ 40 ಜನ ಯಾಕೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಪ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪರ್ಸಿವರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬರೀ ದುಡ್ಡು ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜೀವನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ವಿನಃ ಜೀವನದ ಮಾರ್ಗ ಏನು, ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಗುರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದೇ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಫ್. Because of their focus on living, they get old faster. Let us see some more qualities. What is the difference between living and life? Life and living, what is the difference? Love life. If you love life, you are loving life. If you are leading life, it is living. Supposing somebody asks you, hey, how are you, mother? Pulling on, sir, going on, chalta hai, ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಇಂಥ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಯಾರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೋ, they are living life. They are living life. How are you? Fine, thank you, good, always good, ದೇವರಿದ್ದಾನೆ, I am always happy ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೋ, they are loving life. They are living life. ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಫ್ಗೂ ಲವಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಫ್ಗೂ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಇದೆ. ಏನೋ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಏನೋ ಜೀವನ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಏನೋ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಲವಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಫ್, ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು? ಫೈನ್. ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಗು ಒಂದು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಈಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಸ್, ಡಿವಿನಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಸ್. ಐ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ಹಿಮ್, ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಒಂದು ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಇದೆ. ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಒಂದು ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿದೆ, ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಗಾಳಿ ಬೀಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಕೊಂಬೆ, ಅದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದೆ, ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆದ್ರೇನು ಆ ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಶಾಂತವಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಆ ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಆ ಕೊಂಬೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಧಾರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ತನ್ನ ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಧಾರವಾಗಿದೆ. It can fly off any time. Because of that wings, it can stick onto that branch. ಆ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಹೊಡೆದೋದ್ರೇನು ಚಿಂತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆರೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. Like that, if we can have love in our life, if we can have divinity in our life, if we can always have God ಚಿಂತನೆ, ಭಗವತ್ ಚಿಂತನೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ, we'll always be happy. ಎಷ್ಟು ತೊಂದರೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ we'll always be happy. We will face it with courage. Why? Because God is inside us. He will take care of my problem. If you don't have that, you get ದಿನ ಸಾಯ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ದಿನ ಸಾಯ್ತೀವಿ. That is leading life. Second difference, inspiring, energetic. Living, you are focusing on living, saps energy. Monday, mechanical. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ they are not happy at all. They are having always serious face. Right? Somebody said they earn in lakhs. but they are miles away from smiles. They are miles away from smiles. They don't smile at all. Today's youngsters don't smile. They laugh, they giggle, they joke, but they don't smile. They are not happy. They are not contented. They criticize others. Some small disturbance, they are very much disturbed. They are not able to have equanimity in their lives. Why? Because they depend on living, the aspects of living, aspects of life. Aspects of life na focus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Now, happy and smiling, miles from smiles. They are content with what one has. ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಂಬಳ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. I will be happy with that salary. I will be happy with my people. I will be happy with my house. ಕೊರತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೊರತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತದೆ? When you are not contented, when you are not comfortable, when you are having comfort, when you are having contentment, you are always happy.